Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and this padlock I came across as part of a recent trade, and I just love it. I mean, this is from the US. We don't see these locks in the UK, and I believe that these padlocks were for the spare tyres of old Ford cars. I think around mid-century, and yeah, it's just a lovely, lovely thing. I've seen these with a brass body and steel shackle, and brass body and brass shackle. You can see this is the brass and steel version, and this is the original key, I believe, with Ford written on it. And it's actually quite a skinny little thing, but the bitting's not bad, all things considered, with its low, high, low, very high, low cut there. Does take a little bit of wiggling in the keyway to open it. It does work. In fact, actually, the copy of the key, which is this one, works a lot better and seems to have deeper cuts in it. So maybe that's the trick to it. Either way, it's not anything too special in terms of what it is. It's a little 5-pin lock. It seems to just have one locking pawl. It's not got two cutouts. But really, it's just securing a spare tyre, and I've seen a lot worse locks securing a lot more. Right, let's go grab a vise, throw this in, and see if we can pick it. So we're in the vise, but just worth noting with these keys that, as you'd expect for a spare tyre padlock, the keys aren't very used. In fact, they look like they were cut yesterday. In fact, the whole lock is actually feels very nice and fresh, which I think is really good. And I don't know if it's like kept in the trunk or the boot of the car, but it would explain why it's in good condition if that is the case. Right, bit of top of the keyway tensioning. Piece and gem in 18 thousandths. Let's go in there, see what we can pick. Okay, we seem to be on a 5-pin 4. Okay, little click on 3, 2, 1. Pin 5 now. 4, 3, 2, nothing on 1. 5, 4, nothing on 3, 2, little click, and 1, and we are open. So definitely all standard pins in there. There we go. Love that click. Absolutely adore picking padlocks. But yeah, I just absolutely love this lock. Really, really love this lock. Just a nice little piece of history, and it feels like it's a brand new lock. It's just so well preserved, so unused. Although saying that, it does have some like knocks on it here. It's not very well finished, is it, at the bottom? But the sides are beautiful. Yeah, I love this lock. Really nice. Anyway, I hope you found that interesting. Hope you like this lock as much as I do, and I will see you all next time.